in this video, we're gonna be doing this. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Alright, so in the last, we're gonna be doing it with the music again. So make sure that you watch this video till the end. And here are the shoutouts of the video. If you also want to participate in the shoutout round, you just need to comment down below anything, and I'll be posting it into the next video. And please consider subscribing it to the channel, because this channel will help you to be TikTok famous. And people were asking me in the comments that TikTok is banned in India, but how come you can teach all those TikToks? Let me tell you this, I'm learning all the TikToks from YouTube itself, like from dance compilation. So yeah, and now keep your phone aside. Without further ado, let's quickly bump into the tutorial. Alright, so we're gonna learn the starting footwork first. For that, we need to kick our right leg forward. Let me show you from this side. So right leg in the air, alright, and then keep it back. So it's like we will kick and keep it back. Then we're gonna open our left and we're gonna close it. Alright, and we need to do the same with right side. Kick your left forward, keep it back, open your right leg and take it back to the position. That's it. Cool? Now let's practice this. We go right leg forward, keep it back, left out, inside. Then left kick, keep it back, right out and inside. Make sense? Now when our leg is going out, with that we need to keep our full body weight on that leg so that it will look good, and on the other side we need to do the same. Alright, let's try once again. We go 5, 6, 7, 8, go right kick, keep it back, left out, weight change, back to the place. Left kick, keep it back, right out, weight change, back to the place. Perfect. One more time. We go 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, back, 2, back, 3, back, 4, back. Perfect. Little more fast. We go 5, 6, 7, 8, go 1, back, 2, back and 3, back, 4, back. Perfect. Little more fast. We go 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and perfect. Now with that we need to add the head. For that we just need to look to our shoulder while the leg is going out, and the hands will be, we just need to pretend like we are holding a hula hoop in our hand. So we go 1 and 2, back to the place, 3 and 4, back to the place. Make sense? Once again we try. We go 5, 6, 7, 8, go. With the hands we go 1 and back to the place, 2 and back to the place. Perfect. Let's go forward. So we did 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. This is our last position. Let's go forward. From here we need to keep our right leg on the toe and we need to take our heel inside. Alright, so we take our right heel inside. Then we need to keep our right heel out. That means our knee will be coming inside. Alright, with that we need to keep our left leg on our heel and left leg will go out first. Then after out it will come inside. Alright, let's do right and left one by one. We go right heel inside, then keep it back, then left toe out, then inside. So in the end both the heels will be inside. Now let's do right leg and left leg one by one. Right will go inside first, then it will go out. Now left will go out first, then it will come inside. Make sense? Once again we do 5, 6, 7, 8. Right will go in, then will go out, then left will go out, then left will come in. Perfect. Now with the legs we need to take this position. Our left will be on the heel and right will be on the toe. Now we'll do the same thing which we were doing one by one. So our right heel will come inside and left toe will go out. But this time we did at the same time, and after doing this will be the position. Alright, now your left toe will come inside and your right heel will go out. Alright, once again we go, take your position, right heel inside, left toe out, then left toe inside, right heel out. Alright, let's try once again, but this time we'll combine and we'll go at the same time, so it will look like this. We are doing the same thing but we are doing at the same time. Now we need to come back, so if we come back it will look like this. Perfect. Now let's go forward. Now here we need to do the same thing which we have done to our right side. So now our left heel will come inside first and our right leg will be on the toe and it will go out. Alright, and after that our left heel will be going out like the same way which we have done to our right leg. With that our right toe will be coming inside. So again our knees will be inside like the same way which we have done to our right leg. Make sense? Now let's try little fast on the count. We go left heel will come inside, then right toe will go out, Now right toe will come inside, then left heel will go out. Make sense? One more time, we go 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Little more fast, we go 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Let's combine and let's do it little fast. We go 5, 6, 7, 8. In and out, then out and in. Perfect. Let's try once again. We go 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5, 6, 7 and 8. Perfect. Once again we go little fast. 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7 and 8. Perfect. One more time we go 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. Perfect. Little more fast, we go 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. And if we do at the same time, it will look like this. Back to the place, then open again, back to the place. Perfect. Let's try from the kicking step. We go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Then keep 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let me tell you this. The leg movement will be very fast. We are doing slow just for the practice, and if we do fast, we just need to do it 3 times. Alright, let's go forward. After that, we need to keep our right leg back. Then we need to tap our right leg 2 times and we need to tap it back to the place. Let me show you from this side. So we go tap, tap and tap. Make sense? Once again we go right, right and tap down. With that, we need to drag our left leg slightly back. So our left leg will be moving at the same time when we are tapping our right leg. So it will be looking like this. Then we need to change the legs. Left will come on the toe and right will be flat. Now we need to tap our left leg forward 2 times. With that, our right leg will be dragged back. Alright, let's try it slow. We go 5, 6, 7 and 8. Tap your right leg, tap, tap and keep it flat. Then tap your left leg. We go tap, tap and keep it flat. Then right leg will tap, tap and keep it flat. Then again left, tap, tap and keep it flat. Perfect. Once again we'll try. We go 5, 6, 7, 8. Take your position. Then we go tap, tap, keep it flat. Then tap, tap, keep it flat. Then tap, tap, keep it flat. 3 times we need to tap. Alright. So if we do in the fast, it will look like this. Alright, let's go forward. After doing 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, we need to turn forward. Then our legs will be open and we need to take our heel out first. Then our toes will open and then again our heels will go out. After that, again heels will come inside, then toes will come inside, then heel and toe. Alright, please keep that in mind. This step will be this much fast. We need to open fast and we need to close it very fast. Alright, let's do little more fast. We go 5, 6, 7, 8. Open, open, open. Then now heels will come inside, toes will come inside, then heels and toes. That's it. Alright, once again we go 5, 6, 7, 8. Open, open, open. Then close, 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 close. Perfect. After that, we need to do freestyle. If you want to tap your leg, you can do this. And while doing this, we can roam around. And yeah, that's it guys, you got the routine. Let's do it from the top, slow, medium tempo. We go 5, 6, 7 and 8. We go slow. Position, kick and back to the place, kick and back to the place. Then we go heel and inside, then heel and inside, heel and inside. Then we go tap, tap, drag and change, tap, tap, drag and change, tap, tap, drag and forward. We go out, 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 in. Then we go freestyle. Do whatever you like. Perfect. Once again we go 5, 6, 7 and 8. Go 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Then we go 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4. Perfect. Little more fast. We go 5, 6, 7 and 8. Go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and freestyle. Perfect. Let's try with the music.